Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Giska Astri Patiriamdani. I am from English Education Department at Unggul University. Today, I'm going to discuss mutual stereotyping and misunderstanding in Indonesia. So, first, what is language and culture? Language is a system of communication using words, gestures, and tones. And for culture, it's about shared beliefs, values, and practices of a group. So, language expresses culture, and culture shapes how language is used. And this is about what is mutual stereotyping. Stereotyping is when two different cultures see each other through fixed, often negative, and assumptions, often influenced by language use, accent, tone, or expressions, and leads to misunderstanding, judgment, or miscommunication. And here is the example from stereotyping is Westerners are too direct versus Indonesians are too passive. And language differences to be misunderstanding. Different language have different politeness strategies, and what's considered polite in one culture may be seen as rude in another. Indirect versus direct speech causes confusion. And this is the example in Indonesia. Indonesian says, nanti saya pikirin dulu or I will think about it. Actually means no. And for a foreigner might think it means still considering and miscommunication. So, common stereotypes in Indonesia. This is the content. Foreigners are blunt, seen as rude, and Indonesians are too polite or do not speak up, seen as passive. Note: mutual misunderstanding comes from different language styles, not intent. And this is high context versus low context communication. Indonesia is a high context culture. Messages are often indirect and rely on nonverbal cues. And Western cultures tend to be low context. Say what you mean clearly and directly. And this is the example. Foreign boss asks, can this be done tomorrow? And Indonesian staff replies, we will try. And this is boss perspectives. This is expects it will be done. And from staff may only be being polite, not promising. And how about overcoming misunderstanding? First, be aware of cultural language norms and clarify meaning and do not assume. Also, learn key polite phrases in other languages and ask open-ended questions. Also, practice empathy. The quotes for this overcoming misunderstanding is understanding culture helps us understand language and each other. So the conclusions is language reflects culture. Differences in expression can cause stereotyping or misunderstanding. In Indonesia, indirectness is a form of politeness. Understanding these differences builds better cross-cultural communication. Thank you for attention. This is all for me.